There have been many studies on the power of mindset and placebo effect over the past decade. Amazingly, they show how much our mindset impacts our weight, our health, and our habits. Studies show when you believe a medication or a treatment will work, it's up to 30% more effective. Researchers like Aaliyah Crum found that what you believe about the food you're eating, whether it's actually healthy or unhealthy, can impact your weight, your cholesterol, and your ghrelin levels, that gut hormone that affects your appetite, fat storage, blood sugar, muscle loss, and bone metabolism. She also found that your beliefs about whether you're getting enough exercise, no matter how much you're actually doing, can impact your weight and your longevity. But it's not really that amazing when you know that your mindset is not just how you think. Your brain is just the 3 pounds of gray matter in your head. It cannot work unless it's connected to your body. We hear a lot about how to have a healthy brain, but we need to remember that this is your brain, your entire nervous system, completely intertwined with your body. They are inseparable. One cannot function without the other, and they're constantly affecting each other. Researchers like Amy Cuddy showed us how much body position changes brain chemistry and performance under stress. It's also important to keep in mind that nerves congregate in your gut and your heart nearly as much as they do in your head. These areas of your body are where you know stuff beyond thought. It's where you know what matters most to you, where you connect with the spirit part of you, the part that knows what it means for you to thrive. So, if we're going to leverage all this great research about the power of mindset for being at a healthy weight, we are not just going to think differently. We need to experience our whole person differently. In the last two videos, we started changing mindsets about the scale and body weight. We uncovered that the truest measure of a healthy weight is how you feel and function. We blew apart that deadly triangle by experiencing eating and exercising in a whole new way. Rather than thinking about one undoing the other, we know now that they help each other. They allow you to have the energy and the capability to do what's most important to you every day. This science update is telling us to change where we're putting our energy and focus when it comes to being at a healthy weight. It's saying pay attention to your whole person as you take actions to lose weight, because your thoughts and how your body feels and functions and what your heart is telling you will have a huge impact on your health. When your whole person is working together, your mindsets can work for you, making it easier to get what you really want from weight loss. This week, repurpose all that energy you were putting into calories in, calories out, and now use it to notice what your body and your spirit are telling you as you eat and as you exercise. Trust that each part of you is working together for you to thrive, and you are leveling up the impact of anything you do for your health, your weight, and your well-being. Next week, we will look at the other skill for your mind, mindfulness, and what researchers tell us about how it's a key skill for a healthy weight that leads to whole person health and lasting habits.